Hello and welcome to Winslow Invest. So in this short tutorial, we're going to look at how we can utilize maps in Excel. So here I have a short data set of states in the United States along with an amount of employees in each state. So the way that we are going to use this is just select our data set, go to Insert, under Map, then we click the map, and right away Excel gives us a beautiful map of the United States where the data of employees within each state is highlighted, and then based on this you can choose different stylings for the map. Then you can also add additional data, so for example here, so that you get the amount of employees matching to each state. So for example Oregon, there are 32, which match our data set right here. And then you can also choose where you want the explanation to be, so that you can utilize this. You can go in here, select another color schemes. You can also choose this where it's a more darker tone and it's only highlighting clearly the states that you have in your data set. So this is a real quick way to give some graphical illustrations on a data set that is based on geographic locations around the world. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time here on Winslow Invest.